If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
Okay. Alright, Drew.
If you know say you're gonna jump on a program, one gun finger. If you know say
Oh, word? That's how you starting it off? Word?
you bust your gun, one gun finger. If you know say you shot people, one gun finger. You're ready.
This I got mad. This I got mad. This, yo, after that intro, this number, I'm gonna be pissed.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against my thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and smashing out. Bang! Yeah, people from you see from the title, you see what I'm dealing with today. Yeah, man. I've been getting requests for this one. This one is Digga D and Moneybagg, yo, G-Lock. Yeah, I've been getting requests for this. I'm getting a lot of requests for this one, and you know, I should have did it a couple days ago because they dropped it like 8 days ago. But yeah, I've been getting a lot of requests, and I keep forgetting to do it actually. So yeah, man, we're gonna check it out because I definitely, you know, I appreciate y'all putting in requests. So I definitely want to feel like I'm ignoring y'all or anything like that. But yeah, man, keep let me know what you want to react, and I'll definitely get it done. But yeah, man, this one is Digga D and Moneybagg, yo, G-Lock. We're gonna check it out. They dropped it 8 days ago, and you know, I'm familiar with the Moneybagg, yo, but Digga D I'm not too familiar with. So we're gonna see what's going on today, see what the song's like, see if it's a hit. Miss, you already know what we do it over here. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you get my video as soon as I upload them. From returning viewers and subscribers, you already know. Love you guys. I like cook food, going strong. I'm coming to take over the YouTube hemisphere, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So we're gonna jump right in. This is Digga D, Moneybagg, yo, G-Lock. Let's get it.
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
Okay. Alright, Drew.
If you know say you're gonna jump on a program, one gun finger. If you know say you
Oh, word? That's how you starting it off? Word?
bust your gun, one gun finger. If you know say you shot people, one gun finger. You're ready.
This I got mad. This I got mad. This, yo, after that intro, this number, I'm gonna be pissed. This gotta be sick.
Try to test me rise up in 9 next year.
What?
Fill up your G-Lock.
What?
You know, say my born and raised in a pit block.
What? Nah, bro. Who is this, bro? Who is this, bro? Nah, dog. Don't tell me so this nigga Jamaican and this thing is. Don't tell me this nigga snapping, bro. Cause don't tell me I'm late, bro. This nigga sound like he about to snap on this song, bro.
Ride the machine, the G-Lock. Life machine saved the boy from G. I crashed the car so fresh, shut the ski off.
Okay.
My young boy still slide on a 50. Ride the machine, the G-Lock. Life machine saved the boy from G.
Oh, that's crazy. Where you from UK? You Jamaican? You from New York? What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? I can't tell, bro. Son, what's good? Like, are you New York even? Yeah, man. Wow, go on, bro. I don't know where you from, bro. Come in, dog. Yo, the cuz snapping.
I crashed the car so fresh, shut the ski off. My young boy still slides on a look. Yo, let me know where that barbecue is. I'll aim at chest and barbecue ribs across the blue broom. Clout off too quick, then part the broomstick. This ain't no luchas. I ride for Jesus and get down Judas. I'm way too ruthless, they can't defuse it. I see a man turn into a statue. Ain't playing no games, you stop the music. He's acting too tough, I grabbed my toothbrush. I gave him 2+, I'm moving ruthless.
Yo, shout out to my subscribers, y'all. Y'all never seem to disappoint. When y'all tell me listen to a tune, my feel let's go straight to it, cause y'all never disappoint, bro. Come on, let's get it.
The guns and crew class, they turn my crew nuts. I feel to complain, but they're just useless. The prick Mr. Kerry flipped my whole cell, he didn't find nothing. Still
Y'all am not nice to that. Yeah.
took my telly. Suck your mother.
Suck your mother. You don't know me intro. Suck your mother.
Came looking for phones but didn't find any. What's 9 + 10, 21? Grab the bells and load this gun. Hit his heady, I told him hold this one. One. Purchase, can't find him. Catch his friend and hurt him. BHA caught him. To burst him, 2 with 1, that's me. version. Ride the machine, the G-Lock. Life machine saved the boy from G. I crashed the car so fast, shut the ski off.
Crash the car so fast, I had to ski out.
My young boy still slides on a 50. Ride the machine, the G-Lock. Life machine saved the boy from G. I crashed the car so fast, shut the ski off. My young boy still slides on a 50. Yo, rev up that.
Pick a machine, the Lambo, the Maybach, the Corvette, the Hellcat, the Rango. All these niggas with me bosses. You gotta ask for permission, ain't having no say so, ain't having no motion. Said her nigga from the other side, I broke out.
Bro, that's Star, bro. Bro, that's Star, bro. Bro, that's
Motion. Said her nigga from.
bro, that's Star, bro. Star, what up? What's good?
From the other side, I broke out the laugh. Pussy, feet on the pedal, she fucking with me cause I'm smashing. Seesaw, what's that? These bitches go back and forth, kick them out like FIFA, soccer. Restart, re-up, sold on some re-rock, then hit the money in the sheetrock. In the wall, don't want Keisha, yo my G. Now I got a rehab detox. Freaky little bitch from London, suck my cock so good my feet lock. Smoke out the pound, drink out the bottle, Been having my way for a while, I cannot go back to the bottom, Believe what you see, nigga, fuck what you heard. Consider it done if I get a word. Clip hold of 50, but I loaded 30. Switch on the glizzy, I make it say brrr.
Ride the machine, the G-Lock.
Bag.
Life machine saved the boy from G. I crashed the car so fast.
Yeah, this a vibe right here. This a vibe right here.
Shut the ski off.
Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Yo, let me know what y'all think. Fire emoji, Gary, can let me see it all.
My young boy still slides on a 50. Ride the machine, the G-Lock. Life machine saved the boy from G. I crashed the car so fast, shut the ski off. My young boy still slides on a 50.